Now, today in this video, we will see what is arc and how to draw an arc. Okay, now I will conclude. What is arc? Everybody knows what is circle. Okay, so the part of a circle is called an arc. Okay, the part of a circle is called as an arc. Okay, so there are two types of arc. One is major arc and one is minor arc. So, yeah. What is arc? Arc is nothing but the part of circle. Part of circle. Okay, and how to draw an arc, that we will see. First, we will see what are the types of arcs. Okay, one is major arc and second is minor arc. These are the two types of arcs. Okay, so whenever we are going to draw a circle, if I am going to draw a circle, see some distance I have taken into my compasses, and right now I am going to draw a circle. Now see students, I have drawn one circle. If you see, some part I have shaded or some part I have made a dark part with a black sketch pen, and this rest of the part I have made with a green sketch pen. Now this is nothing but an arc. Arc is nothing but a part of circle, okay, which is the continuous part. If you consider this and this, these two are different arcs. This you can say minor arc. Your minor arc is always less than the semicircle, and this is your major arc. Okay, this is the continuous part of a circle which is called as arc. Okay, now these are the arcs. Now we will see how we can draw the arc when we have to draw the line bisector, angle bisector, and so on. Okay, now one angle I have this is my segment I have drawn, right? This is my segment is there. I will give a name as A and I have B. Okay, now I have to bisect this segment. So now how I am going to draw the arc for this bisecting to bisect this segment. Now see, at one end point I have put my compass needle and I took the more than half distance, and now these arcs I have drawn from both the. Now see, my arcs are not intersecting with each other. So what I will do, I will just extend my previous arc. Yes, this is how I have extended. Okay, and the same point. These are also the arc. These are minor arcs which we are constructing for bisecting the segment. Okay, we have to bisect the segment, so we are drawing the minor arcs. Okay, now here whenever I am putting my needle at a B point and I am going to draw, means what, I am drawing the small part of a circle considering B as my center. Okay, and when I am drawing the arc from A point, that time I am considering A as a center of my circle and I am drawing the small arcs. Why we are not drawing the major arc, why we are drawing the minor arcs? Because only this much part is necessary for constructing the bisector purpose. Okay, so we are not drawing the major arcs, we are drawing the smaller arcs. And as I have drawn the line which passes through the intersection point of an arc, here I got the perpendicular bisector of my particular segment AB. Getting points? Now whenever this is nothing but the arcs, how you can draw the arcs. Now we have seen in many videos I have uploaded how to draw the perpendicular bisector of a line. Okay, that time we need to draw the major arc. Okay, so you can follow that videos also and you can see this. Thank you.